So, hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to create a Telegram account in just a few steps. First of all, open Telegram account and this is very simple interface of this application. You can also switch to dark mode. It's your personal choice. Now click on start messaging. Now allow all the permission they are asking so you can easily enter your number and then sign in. So first of all you have to enter your country code. If you don't know, you can easily search on the search bar. So I didn't find my country, so now I'm searching here. Now here you have to enter your number and then click on yes. And now allow the permission so they can send you OTP and then you can sign in. After you allow permission, they will send you a 6-digit OTP through the number you have added recently, but unfortunately I didn't receive message from them, so I selected another option of call. So they are calling me now. They will tell me the original OTP. After some procedures, now finally I have created my Telegram account. Now your account has been created, but you have to do some basic settings so you can enjoy on Telegram. So click on profile button and then setting button. Now here we have chat setting. You can easily customize this as per your interest. You can also change the wallpaper like background chat wallpaper. Either you can choose from your gallery or you can select some suggested one. After selecting chat wallpaper, you can also choose chat list view. Either it should be 3 lines or 2 lines. But now I choose 2 lines and then I was trying to change the icon, but this time it was not working. But after some time the logo changed and then I started choosing some color themes, but still I will love to go with the blue one. And there are many other settings. I couldn't explore more, but you can. And if you want another video on how to create a Telegram channel, then please comment down. And thank you very much for watching. I hope so you have enjoyed the video. Bye bye. Subscribe.